Welcome to Gallo on the Road, Season 3, Episode 7, and we are at House of Carvetii. Autumn.
Hello.
Good to see you, thank you.
Good to see you.
Right, let's get around this place.
So we'll start this way. So this is the boardroom, which, as you can see at the end, has got the wine wall with all the LED lighting in done by ourselves. Likewise with the downlights, they're all ours. We have our own lighting range made. That's a feature light in the middle.
Wow.
And then we've got a smart TV on the wall, which just allows us to cast drawings and everything on there if we were to sit with clients, architects.
So all the businesses that are involved in the collab will sit here with clients at different times, or sometimes together, presumably?
Yeah.
Brilliant. Okay.
And then we just throw all the work onto the TV behind you so you can see clearly with the clients and go through anything they want to change, amend, grow from there. Got some music in here as well. So we'll move through to the kitchen in here, which is all done by Carvetii in collaboration with Pog and Paul. They've added on some of their own bespoke detailing with the tops and everything. But from our point of view in here, we've got some in-ceiling speakers, and directly next to them on either side, we've got a pair of invisibles to demonstrate the difference between the two, allow the clients to hear them both. Just behind us here, we've got the breakfast cupboard, which is a nice little pocket door feature, again, with all LED tape lighting. We've got all touch close cabinetry. Through here, you've got the pantry with the bespoke made door, and all of this has been bespoke made in the workshop next door.
That's really beautiful.
Again, with the Majik House lighting throughout, but the level of detail the guys here go to is just unbelievable. With the corners, you can just see everything blend seamlessly. And the tiles obviously incorporate with the colour of the worktops.
What's in here? Sub-zero fridge as well.
Yeah.
Jet, thank you.
Hello.
We're in the media room.
Yes.
Tell us about this.
So this is our very fancy media room with the bespoke furniture, seating. We've got inset television of any size that you want.
It's so flush. It's gorgeous.
It's completely flush.
Yeah, it's great.
We've also got a bespoke fire, which we can give you a demonstration of as well. And with our partners at Carvetii, we've got a bespoke piece of furniture there. If you want to pull it open,
I get to open it.
You can get to open the two handles.
Thank you. Oh yeah, of course.
Together and see what's inside. She's all bespoke, handmade.
I can't believe we didn't make it to your official opening. That would have been.
We could have had some Gallo whiskey in there, but
that would have been
maybe beer's enough.
That's amazing. Wow, that's so smooth as well. It's absolutely gorgeous. Look at that.
We've got our own curtains and blinds all integrated here. So we've got.
Brilliant.
So we can demonstrate everything that the customer will need in a room like this.
Yeah, just present them with everything you can. So you're the sales director.
I am.
So you are bringing clients where possible. You just want them to get here. You want to bring them up here because you know that you can show them. This is the best example of what you guys do, short of getting into a customer's house.
Yeah, as Majik House, we've always had a showroom.
Yeah, I remember the last showroom.
This will be our third showroom that we've had in our existence as a company. So we always find that people like to feel and touch stuff. Yeah. Sit in the seat, get the demonstration. It's not just about having a cinema room, demonstration room.
Yeah.
This whole space.
Oh,
we've got everything. We've got.
People will change their house designs because of this showroom.
Exactly.
It completely blows your mind.
There's so much food for thought for people to come here and pick bits that they want. Obviously we have all types of clients. We have all types of different budgets and products that we can, in our industry, we can provide.
And do you have to convince them to come? Because some clients are just too busy. Some clients just want the job done.
We do.
And some clients getting more enthused about what you're doing. Is that right?
It's a bit of a mixture now, because we've got some people that when they're at this level, they do want an input, but then they just let the interior designer take over. Yeah. But as a facility, we're not affiliated with any interior designers. We let any interior designer bring clients or any architects or, you know, anybody who wants to bring a client to experience what we've been able to put together here. We've got the projector that's hidden in the ceiling.
Fantastic.
You know, in our industry, this is obviously stuff that we do day in, day out, but it's not not in every job, but, you know, it's a nice to have.
Well, it's your ability to make it feel like a normal room.
Yeah.
For me, that's the difference.
So what we've got here to demonstrate, besides the projector that comes down and everything, is these are all invisible speakers in here.
Right.
We've got a 5.1 surround sound. It's not a cinema room, it's a media room.
Yeah.
It's got a great cinematic sound. We've got in-wall subwoofers, which have been specifically fitted in the walls, and the grills have all been etched out there. So we've basically got it completely invisible.
Great.
To make it as, you know, as aesthetically pleasing as possible, but at the same time, give a very, very good effect.
Can you make this room go dark? Can you?
Yeah.
You magically?
We can.
Yeah, great. Back to a normal living room again.
That's it.
Yeah, great. The bedroom. Wow.
So yeah, so this is what we class as a master bedroom.
Yeah.
Got again a lot of technology in here that's completely hidden away. We have Lutron lighting throughout for the control. We're able to demonstrate the different keypads from Lutron. As you can see, the Palladium there.
Yeah, it's lovely.
And the Elise keypad there on that side, which is the more design-led one. And then we've also got the invisible speakers in this room as well, with some in-wall subwoofers that are more visible than the other room.
Yep.
These are artisan subwoofers, and we've got Amina invisible speakers in here, whereas the media room has got the Sonance speakers in there as well. We also incorporate into this room for, you know, in the technology side, we've got future automation. So we have the wall, and we have which is,
so that's the future automation bracket.
Yeah, that's future automation mechanism with a recessed TV.
Great.
And then we also have a future automation product basically under the bed, which is...
Oh, wow. Oh. This is the one I'm trying to convince my wife to get.
That's it. So we've done a few projects with this product, which is on the bigger houses, because a lot of the big houses now seem to have a lot of glass and nowhere to put a TV.
Yeah, okay.
And a lot of the high-end clients don't like the TV at the end that just pops up out of a, you know, it's a bit been there, done that. But we can still do it.
It was amazing at the time when it first came out. That was revolutionary.
Yeah, we were doing it 20 years ago when it first came out. But this, obviously, again, it's not for every project.
But also means that the TV technology can change. You can replace the TV without having to replace the bracket as well.
Exactly, and the TV doesn't have to be very big because it's quite close to you.
Yes.
So so this is all automated. We're using as the control platform in this showroom is all Control4. The lighting, we have the ability to use Control4 lighting, Lutron lighting, and Rayco lighting. So we've got a product for every budget and every type of customer. We can put these all controlled via the Lutron keypads at the side of the bed.
What brand of TV is that?
That's just a Sony.
It's a Sony.
Yep. And then in here we have the master dressing area.
This is my favourite room. I don't know why. There's something about it. There's something about this room that really takes me.
There's always things in here that you may like. Again, bespoke furniture. We've also got here wardrobes that are humidity controlled, and they also basically have the lighting inside, and they also basically have scent inside them as well, so your clothes smell nice all the time as well. This is not a part of it, but this is obviously the Carvetii side.
You can admire it.
Yeah. So we've got that. fantastic shelving, all the bespoke shelving with LED lighting in there. And we have music in here as well.
So yeah, tell me about the music in here.
We've got Gallo speakers in here, which are a really good solution.
They look really good in here, actually. It's nice.
Yeah, so
because it's a feature.
Exactly, and it's discreet, but you know, it's just nice. We've actually done a few Gallo projects. We did one end of last year with a full cinema room, actually.
Right. Okay.
A media room, I would call it, with a projector in a loft in the house, and we used your Gallo products there with the with the bezel, so we had them in the ceiling.
The in-ceiling bracket.
Because we didn't have a lot of depth, but the customer wanted a really good sound. Then we had 2 of your subs, and we had a full 7.2 setup.
Great.
There you go. Sounded
Thank
really
you.
good. Again, lighting, all controlled by Lutron. We have music in here as well. The speakers we have in this bathroom are all by Bowers & Wilkins.
Okay.
We try and use as many of the brands that we like to use. Obviously, there's hundreds on the market, but we try and stick to the ones that we know are good quality. So in here, we're showcasing for audio, we're showcasing the Bowers & Wilkins. And all the lighting in here has been done by Majik House.
The lighting
besides, obviously, the feature lights, which are just, I'm not sure what brand they are, but they were designed via the Carvetii team.
Got you.
So,
it's so creative, actually. It's having the ideas to light something like that is beyond me, certainly. Shower's fantastic.
What we've tried to do in the showroom is obviously make the technology really invisible.
Yes.
But very,
it's all there.
It's all there. Things like having the thermostats and having the sensors that are built into, the wall, so they can obviously work, but you don't have to see an ugly thermostat. That spoils all the decor and everything.
Absolutely.
So these are the ideas that we can give customers when they're building their houses and they're looking at, how can we incorporate technology? But a lot of people don't want to see technology. They don't want to see big speakers. They want to see invisible stuff or very discreet.
You see no tech walking through this whole place. You see nothing. Until you touch a control panel and it starts dancing. Brilliant. Okay.
All right.
Spot-on. What is this?
This is a piece of art that has been etched in with a map all the way from Carlisle to Gatebeck. As our partners Carvetii, they're based in Carlisle.
It's absolutely incredible.
We've actually got a matching table in the media room to show you that we'll have a little look at.
Brilliant.
But it actually is a bit more than just a bit of art.
Wow. How heavy is that door?
That's 80 kilos. But the mechanisms on it make it a lot easier to move, that's for sure.
Brilliant.
But that leads us into the boot room.
Yep.
Which in here, again, all done by Carvetii with the really large tiles, some lights. In our part, we've just got a bit of music in here, just some small speakers. But the level of detail these guys go to is all touch press, somewhere to hang your coat, somewhere to
hunters and your barbers and your...
Exactly. And then somewhere to sit to put your shoes on.
Great.
But they have combined the boot room and a bathroom here.
Oh, wow.
So the wood and the tiles follow right through, which is really nice. So then on this side, they've got a bit of a fancy tap. It's just matches quite nicely with the light that they've just got on the right-hand side there. But again, all handmade stuff, all our LED lighting throughout and some audio.
And the toilet lid just opened as I stepped near the toilet and I knew what was happening. Brilliant. Thank you.
Again, all Majik House lights through here apart from your pendants.
Okay.
And these are...
And you guys are designing your own lights?
Yeah, we manufacture our own lights and have done for some years now. Our managing director found it quite hard to find a decently priced light that dimmed well, incorporated with our systems like Lutron and Control4, without them being excessively expensive for a whole house.
Yeah, because there's so many, it becomes a really expensive thing. It's like shopping in IKEA. The lights just creep up on you.
Definitely. So we've worked with those for years and we're forever expanding the range. So through here, we have the utility room. Now, This is a room we've done the least in terms of technology, but the cabinetry and carpentry that's gone into here is just...
And all of this is made from scratch next door.
Yeah.
We walked through the wood factory.
Yes. So it's all ribbed and just like the detail on the legs.
Yeah, yeah.
And just behind you here, we've got some design features of where they put your washing machine dryer, somewhere just to put your wash basket, somewhere to rest it while you load it into the washing machine.
The carpentry is just beautiful. Everything fits perfectly. You close every door and there's like a millimeter gap. It's just great. Really
the level of detail is really what combines the two companies so well.
Yeah.
So moving down here, we have some all lunar lights actually through here. They are one of our chosen brands we do enjoy working with.
Look at this.
But through here we have the playroom. So the playroom in here, we have the likes of an Xbox, PS5, virtual reality, and a Sonos surround sound system. So we've got a Sonos Arc, Sonos Sub, pair of Era 100s at the back, all Majik House lighting right throughout. The kids definitely enjoy it when they come here. But we've got a bit of Rayco lighting in here for a bit of change with the DMX, etc.
Good.
So that all changes colour. And when you turn the Xbox on, it turns green. When you turn the PS5 on, it turns
automatically.
blue.
So the kids just each device they turn on is got
and the room, exactly. And we've got a Starscape ceiling just above your head, which again's got the colour changing halo around the outside.
So when you have clients here for a consultation process, do you send the kids here with San Pellegrino and
absolutely, and leave them
lock
to
the
it?
door.
And they're quite happy. You don't usually get any complaints about that one.
Yeah, brilliant.
Definitely one of my favourite rooms.
Yeah.
So again, carrying on with the Lutron light control throughout. But this is the brains of the system in here. So we've got everything
This is what people are actually here to see. Certainly your competition, our customers around the world, they just want to see this room initially.
And the technophobe in the house sometimes cringes at this, but because they see how neat it is, it doesn't scare them as much when they get to see it in person. So
what's going on in here then? So you've got
a lot going on. So you've got all the AV here, you've got obviously your amplifier powering the media room through there, you've got the amplifiers for the likes of the invisible speakers throughout, you've got a kaleidoscope system, you've got HC Anywhere Matrix, some more power amps, etc, etc. You've got your Control4 brains, your CA10s, etc. Network switches, NVR for all the CCTV. So everything is housed in here. But then on this side of the wall, I'll start from this end, you've got your blind panels, and you've got your lighting control modules all there.
That's the Lutron system there.
That is. You've got some Rayco there, because we've got a bit of that throughout. You've got your mains board, which is a bit boring, but the likes of your centralised heating systems.
So so the tiny little thermostat kind of nodules that you see in the rooms are feeding back to this.
Exactly. So some people quite find these a little bit ugly to have each room.
You can't control it. You can't control what they look like.
So we centralise it all back to a point, and then they have the option to control it off the Control4 app.
Great.
And then I would be getting in trouble if I didn't show you the back of this rack.
Yes.
So through here, you've got obviously the back of everything that you've just seen at the front, but all the cabling is done on there to a really high level. Our guys take huge pride, not just for the aesthetics of it, but for a maintenance point of view. Makes life so much easier if there's ever a problem.
Yeah.
And
what are these radiators here?
Yeah, they're extremely warm. These are the inverters, so we've got solar throughout.
Wow.
Which also powers the factory virtually next door, which has made everything. So we've got batteries, inverters, and just a patch rack up there again, which is all colour.
What's that brand?
It's a Chinese brand. I wouldn't know the name.
That's really neat. So this one's now depleted, and then you work on. So it just goes between the batteries. So
the batteries are here. These are the inverters.
Wow, right.
Yeah, so they're bigger. Store more. So the inverters that give off the most heat.
One converter for each battery.
Exactly.
Oh, I love it. I love it. Yeah.
Makes us a lot more self-sufficient as well.
Yeah. Awesome. Thank you. Is that all the rooms? Am I missing one?
No, we've got the office.
Yes.
So moving on into here, we have the office.
The office is great.
The office again is one of my favourite rooms.
Yeah, I really like this.
A
I presume you just base yourself here when you're...
I do a lot of work from in here, sometimes have meetings in here with clients, but we actually have minimal technology in here, which is sometimes quite nice. We've got a Bowers & Wilkins speaker, all our lighting, again, powered off all the amps back there, our lighting throughout in terms of LEDs, the cabinetry is all Carvetii, carpet again, all Kendall quality carpets, but we've got a monitor
the carpet
there.
feels good.
Yeah, it's quite tough actually.
It's tough, but it's got quite gentle underneath.
Yeah,
it's good.
A bounce to it. It's really usable. I'll just shut these properly so you can get the full effect of what that's meant to look like. Awesome. So behind there is actually the factory where they make everything. So it's a nice little door just to hide the workshop element.
This is a room we're not allowed to talk about. So you can't see any of this yet. So next time we come back down, when will it be ready?
A couple of months.
And can we see what the room's called, or is that?
Yeah.
It's a whiskey room.
Yeah.
No, yes, whiskey room.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this will be great, but no.